Woo! Yes, sir. Oh, I got my mask. What's up, world? It's your guy Tuned In Tony, and today we are doing a review of the Henry mask. I saw this mask not too long ago. I had a funeral I had to attend, and my mother-in-law had this mask on. She came through with the all black, and when I saw this mask, I was like, what type of mask is that, and where did you get it from? Because it just gives off a certain sense of style when you wear a Henry mask. And she said it's a Henry mask, and it's two black brothers.
They know me as fresh in the industry. Yeah, I go by Chase. Everybody calls me Chase.
That own these masks and started it. So I was definitely already digging it just from the style. But when I found out the background, I had to do a review on it to test it out.
And so I just put this idea together in the shelter to do this concept called Rich Fresh. Make it, different.
These masks were created by a black designer named Rich Fresh, who is also from Memphis, Tennessee. And you guys know that I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee. So had to rep the home state. When I saw this mask, it's just the way that it fits. I want to put it on real quick. I love the construction of the mask, right? So when I see this mask, what it reminds me of, a lot of times when people wear a mask, it's like very ugly. It's in the way of our style of what we got going on. But when you look at this mask right here, it's like if somebody pulled up to me with this mask in their outfit, I'm not even gonna like judge them or be like, okay, they got the mask going on. I'm gonna see that it accentuates the drip that they got going on. This mask is super dope for me. I instantly ordered two, one for me, one for the wife, but I'm gonna continue ordering them. So when I was looking through the background story with this mask, I saw that Rich was actually homeless.
I committed to stopping drinking. I went vegan. I stopped doing drugs. So I just changed everything that I thought was doing me harm.
But to have that creative drive to keep driving and keep creating, that's what is so inspiring. Also, the reason that he created these masks is because when there was a shortage going on, like during the beginning of the pandemic, Rich actually couldn't get any masks. So out of just the fabric that he had, he was like, I want to create a mask for my team just so we have masks. But his creativity came out, and then you can see like the origami that he created in this that makes this mask so much different and makes it stand out so well. So to see a Memphis designer, a black designer, create a mask like that, this mask has taken over the NBA.
Everyone, like you said, all the NBA players are wearing it. It's just a new standard. If you're wearing a mask and you really care about yourself, it's a Henry.
So after I ordered it, I'm always watching sports. I started noticing that like, wow, the coaches have these on, the players have these on, and this is the mask. So I would say this is the cleanest, most freshest style mask that I have seen so far. It can seem expensive, but when you look at it for fashion-wise, attenuating it with your outfit, it's really not. So I got these off of Amazon for about $17, $18 a mask. I think they have a subscription service on their website where you could check that out. I'm digging it. I'm gonna order more. I mean, it's definitely a mask for going out, to go out with your fit. Because a lot of times, especially women, are complaining like, you're at home, you get dolled up, you put your outfit on, but once you put the mask on, you feel like it kills the fit. The Henry mask right here is definitely gonna be the mask that attenuates that fit, really takes it to the next level. But yeah, shout out to Rich Fresh. Definitely check these out. I'm gonna put the link below so that you can grab these as well. Shout out to Henry mask.